Hi everyone, this is April Gooden, your Big I Minnesota CEO. Thank you to everyone who participated in contacting their legislators, making PAC contributions, and supporting Big I Minnesota in our efforts to be heard at the Capitol.
Hi, I'm Robyn Rowen, your Big I Minnesota lobbyist, with the next episode in our series of videos highlighting new laws that will help Big I members navigate the hard market. This segment will focus on the expansion of the price gouging law to include tree trimmers and restoration and mitigation companies. Jake Olinger with the Christensen Insurance Group did such a good job with the percentage deductible video that we actually asked him back to discuss the price gouging law. Jake, can you remind everyone about the price gouging law that passed last year?
Thank you, Robyn. Last year, we passed a law that prevents contractors from taking advantage of insurers after a severe thunderstorm by charging insurers rates for repairs that exceeded rates charged to the general public. The Attorney General has been successful enforcing this law by sending letters to contractors based on insurer complaints, and we know that those letters have worked and resulted in contractors reducing their charges.
Thanks, Jake. So it was this success that led to this year's bill to expand the price gouging law to include tree trimmers and restoration and mitigation companies. Can you talk about why this expansion is important?
It's very important because consumers rely on these companies in emergencies. They can also take advantage of insurers by charging exorbitant prices. During this legislative process, we found out and were given multiple examples of restoration companies that were charging over $70,000 to clean up a water softener pipe that broke, tree removal services that were charging equally high amounts. And so this will definitely stop the behavior and reduce the claim costs.
Thanks, Jake. Once the new law takes effect on August 1st, you can submit complaints against tree trimmers and restoration companies via the AG's website. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.
Big I Minnesota would like to thank our rockstar lobbyist, Robyn Rowen, for her amazing work on behalf of our entire membership and the independent agency system. I also wanted to thank our committee members for their valuable knowledge and support to the issues, participating in hearings, and communicating with their legislators before, after, and during the session. We hope that you found value in this update, and thank you for watching.